people, welcome back to my channel again. I'm Dimma. So if you're new on this channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are wonderful. So guys, in today's video is going to be cooking Egusi soup. So Egusi soup is one of most popular soup in Nigeria. So I'm going to be showing you how I make my own Egusi soup. Already in my pot, I have some stuff going on there. I have my meat. My meat is frozen, and I have some dried meat. So I'm going to go ahead to spice up this meat and start off with the cooking. While I'm cooking, I'm going to be introducing the rest of the ingredients to you guys. Alright, stay tuned, do not go anywhere. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, okay? Thank you so much. So I've just added my chicken cube. So next is gonna be my black pepper, just a little. So this is my seasoning powder. My mixed spice. My ground uziza seed, uziza powder, sorry. And some salt to taste. So be mindful, so while adding your salt, so that your soup don't become too salty, okay? So I'll on the gas. I'll cover this up to cook. So let me introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. Here is a freshly washed bitter leaves, olugbo. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use spinach, you can use ugu. So this is my hand-picked melon seed, that is the egusi. Of course, you need your uziza. I'm using the ground one. You need some salt. And you need this local spice. It's called openye. You need that. And also you need your vegetable oil, your red oil. So I'm going to start off by boiling my olugbo, because I'm going to be boiling my olugbo because it still have that raw taste. The bitterness is still there. So I'm going to boil it and to be able to remove the bitterness, the bitter taste. So add some water and put that on fire. While waiting for my meat and my bitter leaves to get cooked, I'm going to be grinding my egusi. This is a very simple method of making your egusi. Very simple, easy, and very fast. So I'll grind this. Now my meat is cooked. I'm going to go ahead to add the rest of the ingredients into my soup. First, I'll start off by adding my oil. And mind you, there are different methods of cooking egusi soup. There are people that like to fry the egusi, but I'm not going to fry it. Like I said, this is a very simple and easy method, fastest method of making your egusi soup. Then I'll go in with my egusi. Stir that up. And cover it up to cook for about 10 minutes. Come back and check on it. It's been 10 minutes now and the egusi is well cooked. I'm going in with the rest of the ingredients. So I'll add my seasoning cube, half, because I already used half to spice my meat. My ground pepper. Some crayfish. Stir this up. And I'll add some salt. Be careful so that it doesn't become salty. Just a little salt. Then I'll add my orugo now. Stir this up. The soup is kind of so thick. I'm going to add a little water. Just add a little water. I told you guys this soup is very easy. Like, this is the fastest way of making your egusi. Check for salt. So I'll just cover this up to cook like 10 seconds. I'll